Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off using one of these triangles from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to give this a coat of this sage-colored chalk paint. And I'm just going to coat the whole thing. I did the front, the back, the sides, and also on the inside. Yes, I am going to cover the inside, but I'm painting it just in case I happen to mess up while cutting. And then you won't see that. You'll just see the paint, and it'll all kind of flow together. Once it's painted and all dry, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree tile to cut out a piece for the center. I had taken a piece of computer paper and stuck it in there and then made a pattern out of it. And I made the pattern out of cardstock, and I'm just going to keep this pattern so that I have it for future, trees that I do, that this will be pretty much the standard size for these trees. So I'm just going to trace this out with a marker and then cut it out. So once I have it all cut out, I'm just going to take some hot glue and I'm going to glue that right into the back. So I'm going to run some hot glue along the edges first and then a little bit in the center. And then I am going to put that in. And just press it down, make sure that it is secure. Now I'm going to take some more of that sage green chalk paint and I am going to paint the whole center of this. So I'm going to paint right over that tile. And then I'm going to let that fully dry. Once it's all dry, I'm going to take some white paint and I am going to dry brush the entire tree. So I'm just going to damp off some of the white paint and I'm going to go over the center and really bring the design of that tile back out. And I'm also going to do along all of the edges of the tree and the sides and the bottom. And I don't want it to be fully covered, so I'm just making sure that I just dry brush it on. I don't want the whole tree to be white, but I definitely want it to bring out all of the different shapes of the tree. So like along the edges of the triangle and kind of dampen down some of that sage green color. And as you can see, I'm damping off my brush a lot. I really don't want a lot of paint on here. I really wanted it to look distressed, and how cute is this? Next, I'm going to take one of these little wood rounds from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue that right to the bottom, and this is going to be our stand, or the tree trunk. And this is going to allow it to stand on its own. So I'm just going to glue that down. I grabbed kind of a bigger chunk of the wood rounds. Next, I got this Merry Christmas pick, and it came with this little Merry Christmas sign, and this came from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to hot glue that right to the center. And then I'm going to take the greenery that I picked off of that same pick. I just cut some of the pieces of greenery, and I'm going to glue those right on the inside, on the bottom. So I'm just going to add those, hold them into place while they set up. And then once those were set up, I had these little white berries, and they were a part of a pick also. And then I'm just going to add those to either side. And then I took some of this Dollar Tree ribbon, and it was wired ribbon, and I just kind of wrapped it around a pencil to kind of make these little loops. And I added one to each side. And I thought these turned out so cute. And they were really easy to make with the wired ribbon. And I make sure that they're held down. I really wanted to move because it was the wire. So once I have those on there, and I'm going to add this pine cone right to the center of our little arrangement at the bottom. And that is it. This tree is done. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love how it turned out. And look at those little loops. They're so cute. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.